Uy, hi. A day in my life. I'm Kimbo. This is Travel Edition.
Check this out.
Okay.
I look good.
Okay. On the street and I got my swag on. Okay. Get the money, gotta get my bag on. Okay. Triple
So we're just here. We're going to Cagayan de Oro and we're gonna have breakfast by the road. Well, you can see. Also, I'm not really supposed to do vlogging, but I thought this is, di ba, napaos pa ako. I really thought that this is a good time to create memories as well. Kasi hindi naman laging araw-araw kami nag-travel as a family. So, I'm doing this one. So, mahabang-habang lakbayan pa to. Tara na, let's go!
Many unbearable hours later.
Alright guys, so we're here now in Iligan City and we're stopping by for our lunch. Kung kanina by the road, ngayon naman by the shore, by the beach, right? So, they're here eating. And update ko kayo ulit maya-maya. We're almost there in CDO, Cagayan de Oro. See you guys! Hi guys, so at exactly 3 p.m. nakarating na rin kami. And we're gonna have a stop by here in SNR. Kasi sayang din naman yung card namin membership, may expire na, so might as well gamitin na lang din. And also my sister is like planning to do pasabay. Yeah, so we're gonna go inside. Let's go. Sobrang init, boss. Woo! Hi guys, we're already here and we are now staying at Casa Luciana. Tapos na akong maligo, tapos na akong kumain din. So, pahinga na lang for tomorrow's event, di ba? Say hi, Arya.
Hiya. Hi.
Hi, so see you tomorrow, guys.
Tomorrow, guys.
Bye!
Bye.
Hi, good morning. So, it's time check. It's like around 5 a.m. So, we're gonna prepare. We're gonna prepare for today. Ligo na ako. Nakatulog na ako eh. So, yun na yan. Yeah. Hi guys, good morning. So, papunta na kami doon and nakapabihis na rin kami. This is my damit. Masid Bejiong. See you doon. Let's go. Say hi.
Hi! Welcome to Pangalan
Malagad Network Gathering.
Yes, let's go.
We are God's relate Him. Makainin ba mga... Happy birthday, Kuya Joe. Once again, express what's in your heart in
Hi guys, we're already done. So meet another friend.
Hi guys, my name is Jari.
Yes. We're gonna go home already. Bye. See you next.
Parents.
We are now in SM and we're gonna spoil or spend the rest of the night here. Let's go. Alright, so nanamig dire karon mga ona ta. Unlimited man sad, so okay ra kayo. This is my food. So, makaon sa ako. Kita-kits.
The next day,
Alright, so mga na meron pamahaw sa karinderya. Okay, para, you know, of course, for breakfast. This is what I eat na lang. With a milk.
much later.
Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye. Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Welcome
Welcome.
to my
Welcome to my
channel.
channel.
Uy, ba't ka naman nag-ano dyan, pindot? Anyways, we're here na in SNR. So yun, wala na yung cake. So, we're planning to buy something else. Alright guys, so baka dito ko natatapusin. Already done. And then, we're now going back to Pagadian. And, yeah, maraming salamat sa panonood. So again, I am doing this one for memories. Para may balik-balikan lang. And, yeah. Maraming salamat. See you next time. This is Kay. Kasintindo. Peace out.
Okay. Okay.